Okay, my name's Ruby Johnson. I'm in First Aid Online. This is my first aid kit project. I have ACE bandages, which are used for wrapping sprains and when somebody twists their ankle or sprains an arm. I've got scissors, which are used for cutting the bandages and the dressings to where you need it, or cutting off clothing to get to a wound, as long as you're not tearing the material away from the wound. I've got several 2x2s, 4x4s, an ABD pad, and non-adherent dressing. Those are all used when you're talking about some kind of an open wound or abrasion. The ABD pads come in handier when you've got a heavier bleeding type wound. I've got two kinds of cold packs, a small one and a large one. Those can be used for pulled muscles, headaches, stomach cramps, anything like that. I have Q-tips. That is used to clean away an area, a small area that you may need to clean, a small cut or abrasion, or to help get an eyelash out of the eye. Tape. Tape is to secure any bandage after you've put a dressing and a bandage on it. Neosporin, triple antibiotic ointment, is used on wounds before you put a dress, like small scrapes, abrasions, small cuts, after you've cleaned the wound before you dress it. An antacid is used for indigestion, upset stomach. Alcohol, rubbing alcohol, is used for sterilizing tweezers, sterilizing scissors, and stuff like, you know, any type of thing. You can also, it's used as a disinfectant. Hydrogen peroxide can be used on small cuts and abrasions to help clean the wound. Do not use it on burns. Bandage roll. After you put a dressing on a wound, you then take a roll and you wrap it from distal to proximal. And here's some more non-stick gauze pads. Tums, that's used for heartburn and indigestion also. Kleenexes, those can be used for multiple things, wiping away blood, blowing your nose. These are hand cleansing wipes. Use these to wash your hands up with. Nail clippers. They can be used for ingrown fingernails, toenails. I did that already. Low dose chewable aspirins. Those are, you can use them as a pain reliever, but they're also used if you suspect a heart attack. You have them chew this and swallow, and that will help relieve chest pains most of the time. Hand sanitizer for sanitizing the hands. Tylenol and acetaminophen for pain relief. Let's see. These are rubber gloves. Anytime you care for a wound, you should use rubber gloves to keep from touching anybody's body fluid or blood. Then I've got assorted Band-Aids. I've got 30 of these assorted ones, and 80 assorted ones also, different sizes and shapes. Those are good for small cuts and scrapes and stuff. These are called butterfly closures. They're for when you get a little more of a wider and deeper cut. And that's the first aid kit, and this is its container with the lid that I put everything into. And that is it. Thank you.